Hello guys, my name is Chisom from Escort Support, and today I'll be showing you how to create a QR code, profile QR code. So once you log into your dashboard, you click on, this is what your dashboard should look like, by the way. You click on create, and then you scroll down to where you have the profile QR code. As you can see, it's a dynamic QR code, and then you click on choose. Alright, so you have the option of changing the color to suit whatever theme you're going for. And then you enter the first name of the full name of the business. For today, I'm going to use Xcode. You have the option of changing the font. Alright. You can also change the size. And change the color to whatever color you want. Alright, so you go over here to change the logo. Okay. Alright, so while that is loading, alright, you can also change the logo if you wish. Alright. Okay, so enter your phone number. Alright, so you have the option of changing the dial button color to whatever color of your choice. For now, I'm just going to use black. Okay, enter your email address. Enter your website address. Okay, the company. Job, so the job can be your job description or what the company does. So for Escort, I'm just going to put what we do. Okay, so enter your address. and your country. Okay. All right. So over here you have options of entering your social media profile over here in this text box. You can ignore the ones you do not need. For now, I'm just going to enter our Instagram handle, which is xcode.io. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to ignore all other information that I do not want to appear on my profile card and click here and continue. All right, so while I'm waiting for my profile code to be reviewed, I can decide to use a transparent background or choose a color that works best for me. Okay, so I'm just going to choose something dark. Okay, here or blue. Okay, all right, so yes, so I can decide to also choose a different color for my QR codes, but for my foreground color, but I'm just going to go with black. Yes, so I have the option to change the pattern, the marker border, the marker center, and every other thing I want to change from my QR code just to give it some sense of personalization or to suit what my client needs or to suit what the business or the company theme is. So I can decide to go for whatever shape or pattern I that will work best for me. So for now, I'm not going to use any pattern or okay, so I'm just going to make use of a different marker border. Okay, this looks good. All right, so I can still go ahead and insert my logo, but for this case there's no need, but just for the sake of a lot of users who have issues with knowing what to do, so I'm just going to go ahead and insert a logo. Kindly note that there is no size specification for now, but that will come in our next upgrade, and of course you will be updated on when that feature is available. All right, so I'll go ahead and insert my logo again. All right. Okay, so I think I'll just go ahead to use a transparent background. Okay. All right, so if I decide, I can select any type of frame I want. I can go with this, or this, or this, or this. All right. So I think I like this one. So I can also decide to change what the text says. So I can say, hey there. Or I can say, look at me. Okay. Or I can say, simply scan me. Okay. I can also change the label font to whatever font I want. Okay. I can change the frame color to suit whatever color I'm going for, but I'm just going to leave it as black. All right, so I can change the settings, the size rather. Okay, but just going to leave it at 600. Okay. All right, so once I'm done and I have checked and everything is okay for me, I go ahead and click on done. Okay, so I title my project Xcode profile profile card, and I'll go ahead and save it in whatever folder I decide I want it to be, and click on get code for the software to generate my QR code. So it's easy as that. Voila. Alright, so you can see here my QR code has just been generated. All I can do is download my QR code and share it as an image to whoever I want to share it to, or upload it on whatever platform I need it to be uploaded, or I can simply place it on my flyers or company ID card or whatever surface I decide to use it on. Or I can simply share the link with anybody on social media, even on your social media platforms. You can simply share the link to for your users to click on and scan for it to redirect them to your company's profile card, where they can get all information that they are looking for. Okay, so I hope this helps, and I will be coming up with more tutorials on how to create other QR codes and what works best for your business. Thank you.